Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to write a self-join statement to join a table to itself. Here we have a practice: write a query to display the employee ID, employee last name along with the manager ID or manager number and the manager last name. Provide an appropriate column alias for all columns. So we can write our select statement. Select, we want the employee underscore ID, the last underscore name, and we want also the manager employee ID, which is also employee underscore ID, and the manager last name from table employees, and we can give it an alias here, W. Join the table itself, employees. So we want to retrieve w.employee ID and w.last name, and here we want to retrieve m.employee ID and m.last name. These two columns will retrieve the employee ID and the employee last name, and these two columns will retrieve the manager employee ID and the manager last name on, and the condition is w.manager underscore ID equal m.employee underscore ID. So this is how to write a self join to join the table to itself. Run the select statement, and here we go. This is the employee ID, this is the last name, this is the manager employee ID, and this is the manager name. We can give an alias here, for example employee ID, and here we can provide employee name, and we can give an alias here for the manager ID, and here for example manager name. Run the statement again, and here we go. This is the employee ID, this is the employee name, and this is the manager ID, and this is the manager name. So in this practice we learn how to write a self-join statement to join the table to itself. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.